So you're going to first start off with your eyebrow pencil. And the objective here is to clean up the eyebrows with your spoolie. And we're going to outline them and we are going to fill them in like such. Keep it nice and simple. Fill in your eyebrows. Let's clean them up. Drag the remaining concealer down and create your eyeshadow base. Now we're going to grab our favorite neutral eyeshadow color. We're going to pack it right on the lid and then we're going to blend it up. And we're using the Morphe M434 brush. So let's pack it on the lid. Once we got it nice and packed on our lid, just turn your brush sideways and just blend up that color like such. Something nice and neutral. And if you blend away too much, you can always go in and grab just a little more to put on your lid. Pop on some mascara. Time for step 3. You're going to prime your face with your favorite primer. Then you're going to pop on your foundation. Grab your brush. It's time to blend. If you want a little added coverage, take a concealer that is your skin tone and place it in areas where you want additional coverage. Then you want to blend that out. To brighten up the face, you want to just add a little bit of concealer under the eye. And this concealer is a couple of shades lighter than your foundation. Blend that out too. It's always important to make sure you set your highlighter. So grab some powder and set your concealer. Then you want to grab a powder and set your foundation. The final part to step 3 is just to add a little blush. You always want to build your blush and not bang it on. Grab a little and build it up. Whatever your favorite lip is, this is where you pop it on. Step 5, set it and get it.